Okay, just gonna go over a quick uh, explanation of time and sales. Need everybody to understand it and know what it's all about. If you notice over here, it says time and sales. You notice there's a time 14:35 to 35 p.m. and 42 seconds. You see there's a lot of red numbers here. A lot of red numbers. This is the price in the middle, and this is the quantity of shares. Now you see that they're all green. See, they're all green. Well, this may not be surprising, but the green indicates that the price is going up. The red indicates the opposite, the price is going down. But what you need to understand is that the sellers are the green. The sellers are selling at a high price, so the price go up. The buyers are trying to buy at a low price, so the price goes red and go down. You understand that concept? Listen carefully. The sellers are selling at a high price, so it's green. The buyers are buying at a low price, so it is red. Sometimes you'll see that it may be white. Just some sort of middle meeting in the middle. So if you just look at this, you can tell there's a lot of green, it means that the sellers are selling and the price is going up. If there's a lot of red, it means buyers are buying and the price is going down. And you can see it being reflected right here in the indicator. This is just a graph style. It can easily be changed to candlesticks or wicks, anything that you want. I'm just showing you in this particular way so that you can see what's happening there. The buyers are buying up. See the volume? The buyers are buying. See that? It's red. But when the buyers buy, they want to buy low, so they're going to keep bidding lower and lower and lower and lower. The sellers are the people who are asking to for you to buy at a high price. And there's people in here that are buying at a high price, but trust me, these are not institutions. All these people that are buying at a higher price are not institutions. If you see a large order at a higher price, a very large order, for instance, this is 500,000. It's in the hundred, so you multiply each number on the right here by 100. So if you see large sales like 470,000, 4.7 million shares, that's a lot. You know, that's a lot. So you see sellers are selling at that high. It means that the price is going up, but the buyers who are buying at that high are hoping that it will continue to go up, that the sellers will continue to sell high. That's not always the case, but it does happen. So this is just a quick understanding of buying and selling and time and sales. You know, you can see where it all reflects. You see now the sellers are selling high, the price is going high. There's, you know, the sellers are selling and the price is going high. The buyers are going to come in soon and say, hey, I don't want to pay that much for it. I want to pay just this little for it. So that's the whole concept of the stock market. You buy low and you sell high. You know, you buy at the bid, you sell on the ask. And that's what it's all about. This is a live chart, by the way, guys. LULLIT. Not really sure what this company is all about, but I wanted to use it because it's very active. Got a lot of buyers and sellers trading on this stock right now. You can also see down here where my stove, it's bouncing off my 20 and heading back up to my 80. It's somewhere like 50, 60 right now, between 57 and 60. And also on my RSI, we're going in the oversold area. Up here you can see where my MA3 and my MA7 and my MA34 lines are in the order, showing a slight uptrend, but it's not confirmed because we have a low volume, not enough to support it going higher. And over here you can see where not enough sellers are selling for a high price. Now we have sellers coming in, so now the price is going to go up. See, now we have buyers coming in and they're bringing the price down. 966, 965, 962. Yep, 962, 962, 962, 962. Buyers are bringing the price down. You know, if you want to get in, this is, oh, by the way, guys, this is a 1 minute chart, so it's changing by the minute. So if you're going to be trading something like this, you have to be really careful. You want to get into a stock where you know that the trading is not as volatile, it's not as active. You want to get into something that is in between, not too slow, not too fast, and just ride it for 30 seconds to a minute. Get in, get out. You know, just like I showed you in that last video. You get in and you get out. That's the way to do it, guys. You know, this started at I think somewhere in the neighborhood of 9:24 this morning. Let's see, 9:19 all the way up to over $10, and all the way up to over 10.12 from 8.71. It's a good move today. Good move today. You can see here, you see where these colors change. Price is kind of leveled off since around 1:12 p.m. But as I go wider to get the full picture, you'll see where it fell below what it your 952, almost back down to her 919, back to her starting point of 870, and then it came back up again, went over my MA34 line, started to uptrend for a couple of minutes, and it fell off again and came back under. So you see a habit here. You see what's happening here. They go up above it, down below it, up above it, trickle, trickle, trickle down below it, up above it, down below it. So what do you think is going to happen now? It's going to go up a little bit more. It's going to go up a little bit more, and then it's going to do the same thing all over again, come right back down below it. So where would you get in? You know, you can get in almost at any point underneath, but more likely you'd want to get in when you start to turn to go back up to my yellow line here. You get in here and get out here at the top. Once you see where the red lines start to touch a green line, you get out. Get in here and get out there. And you take your little profits. You don't have to be greedy. Every little bit adds up. You know, you got a carton of cigarettes and sell each one for $1. adds up over time. I wouldn't suggest you do that. It's illegal, but I'm just making a point here. Just buy low, sell high. Buy on the bid, it's a low price. Sell on the ask at a higher price. Look at this. All these buyers are bringing the price down, back down to 945, 984. And all these transactions are going through milliseconds. This is going a lot faster than it's going here on the computer. These transactions are a lot faster because they're being done by the second. You know, this is all delayed information. Unless you have a super fast internet connection, a super fast computer, and you're connected to the main system, and this is all secondary information. But it's okay because you can still get an idea of where the market is going with it if you just pay attention. Now look at this. It's a big sell-off right here. This big green candle. The green candle mean a lot of sell-off went on this candle, and the price went up. You get it, guys? The green candle is selling, not buying. Now the buyers are buying over here, but they're buying at a low price, bringing the price down. So now the buyers are turning the market down again. Look at this. It's stoic. It's about to turn back down over my 80 line. Likewise down here, RSI is about to turn back down on the 70 line. Even though it shows that each line is going up in the sky, you know, it's about to make it. It's struggling right here on that line to go up or down. Now we can look over here. We see a lot of green. Green is good. Sellers are selling at a higher price. Sellers are selling. It keeps selling. So they're fighting between 989 and 990 right now. There's a 991 in here real quick, but it didn't last for very long. Now look, we're up to 993, 995, $10. Here we go, $10. Just said it just before it hit it. Yeah, sellers are selling now like crazy. Buyers are trying to get in there, but sellers are holding. Anyway, guys, look at that. Fight between the $10 to cross over the $10 mark. The buyers don't want to buy it for over 10 bucks. Sellers want to sell it for over 10 bucks. Buyers don't want to buy it for over 10 bucks. See the sellers on the green here, they want to sell it for over 10 bucks. Buyers say, no, I don't want to buy it over 10 bucks. So you see what's going on here. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and share and subscribe. And also, there are links to Robinhood, Webull, and Bitmart. Bitmart is an app that you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. I use it. It's a really good app. And I wish you guys all the best. Have a wonderful day.